Untamed and lively, the Murti River flows through the dense forests of North Bengal, singing a song over rocks and pebbles, a song that touches your soul. Deep through the foliage, it ripples under the Murti Bridge and encourages all to dip in its glory. Crystal clear water that turns chilling in winter, Murti will caress your tired feet and enliven you to a sense of freedom. The dolomite-strewn riverbed is so clean that you can sit on the rocks brought down by the river and lose yourself writing poetry or simply watching happy local boys trying their hands in angling. Murti Tourist Lodge has excellent accommodation. The cottages have classy interiors and will rest your tired soul to a peaceful night. Early morning, you can cross the Murti Bridge on a safari to the nearby Gorumara Wildlife Sanctuary, famous for the endangered one-horned Indian rhino. An Indian guide, the dense forest tracks on a safari jeep and with a well-trained guide will welcome you to a session of wildlife photography. Flocks of birds, peacocks, elephants, deer will greet you. Gorumara has several watchtowers, the most famous being Jatra Prasad. From where you stand a chance to view the rhinos. If the morning forest trails liberated your adventurous soul, a colorful Bhavaya performance will surely satisfy your creative senses. Shake a leg to the drum beats if you wish. Next morning, skip from forests to the famous tea gardens of Duars. Some of the best tea of the world is grown in these gardens. And you can watch plucking of tea leaves. And the entire process of tea making on a wonderful tea trail. Be a part of the popular tea tourism being promoted by Government of West Bengal Tourism Department and learn more about the morning cuppa that wakes you from slumber every day. You cannot miss on your way the sleepy hamlets of Santali Khola and Samsing, or even the rocky island with a quaint fairy tale bridge and dreamy hills in the backdrop. Time stands still in these villages, and you can spend hours sitting by the rocky, rippling streams. For the luxury tourists, Tilabari Tourist Lodge with 5-star facilities will spoil you with the best views of the forests, tea gardens and the hills. The well-manicured gardens within the complex is an ideal place to enjoy a session of bird watching in the morning. The Tilabari complex also has a rich museum, the Gorumara Forest Museum, that provides information on the flora, fauna and wild animals of the area. You can also stay at the nearby Batabari Tourist Lodge and enjoy the serene beauty around. End your trip with a car ride to Bindu on the Indo-Bhutan border. The Jaldhaka project on the gushing Jaldhaka River is simply fascinating. One of the most picturesque locations of North Bengal, Bindu offers an idyllic stopover for a quick meal and loads of imported chocolates sold by locals in makeshift tents. To indulge in your adventurous spirit, come to Duars. Come to the wild world out there.